Welcome to Injective Ecosystem News Roundup. Here are the top stories in Injective in the second half of March. Injective Bridge IONIC Upgrade. Learn all the details about this upgrade in this episode. Restaked Security on inEVM. What is it and what are the benefits for Injective? HELIX PYTH AIRDROP for early HELIX users. First Injective Community QUADRATIC funding round. What is it and what are the projects receiving votes from the community? Injective ecosystem updates, Noble integration, TokenStation, Mito finance, relative finance, Artemis, DojoSwap, clusters, Aeroscraper, Galxe integration, and more. New Injective dApps, tech updates, milestones, events, and much more in this episode. And now, face top stories. The Injective Bridge IONIC upgrade was announced, and users and developers are now able to bridge from any major chain onto Injective in just one click. In particular, from the IBC ecosystem, the latest assets via Wormhole 2.0 and any ERC20 token. Users and developers with the IONIC upgrade can transfer from EVM chains such as Ethereum, non-EVM chains like Solana, and IBC-enabled chains like Celestia. Regardless of which asset or chain is selected, the entire process can always be completed in just one click. Furthermore, it is now possible for users to monitor every single step of the bridging process at all times and also to have a detailed history of any transfer made. The compatibility with Ethereum has been enhanced with lightning-fast transfer times for both deposits and withdrawals. This means that Injective is now the fastest chain to interact with Ethereum and EVM native assets. Moreover, a gas compression has also been integrated into the bridging process, so transactions incur the lowest fees in all of crypto. The Wormhole experience is as well now integrated directly into Injective Bridge, so assets from Solana, Polygon, Arbitrum, and more can be rapidly deposited onto Injective, and in addition, wallets such as Kelper, Phantom, or MetaMask can be used for the bridging, so users can continue to use their familiar wallet to onboard onto Injective. Restaked Security on inEVM was announced with the goal to utilize Ethereum's $400 billion to enhance the security of roll-ups built on Injective, such as inEVM. This is achieved in collaboration with AltLayer to create the first ever restaking security framework for on-chain inEVM applications, meaning that inEVM can leverage security of Ethereum in addition to security of Injective. In summary, restaking-based security aims to bring Ethereum security to inEVM and enhance the applications built on inEVM. This is achieved with AltLayer's MACH framework, and via this framework, a network of nodes is set to perform state validation for the inEVM stack. Injective announced integration with Noble to have direct access to native USDC. Noble is a native issuer of USDC within the IBC ecosystem. This integration will facilitate USDC to be used within the Injective ecosystem. USDC is the most trusted stablecoin, so this integration is great news for the Injective ecosystem. Injective achieved the impressive milestone of 500 million on-chain transactions. Congratulations! TokenStation is live, which is the first native token launcher on Injective. TokenStation allows anyone to launch in seconds a native token on Injective, which is the fastest L1 with the lowest fees. No coding experience is required to deploy a new token on TokenStation, and users are then able to manage a token, mint new tokens, or slash is applied by burning tokens. The process to launch a token is straightforward. Users only need to choose the token name, symbol, logo, and the initial supply. The Pyth spot market went live on HELIX. Pyth Network is the largest first-party Oracle network for publishing financial market data on-chain. The ZIG/INJ was also announced. Zignally connects the best fund managers with digital asset investors, leveraging a Web3 AI-powered investment platform. The non-just spot market went live also on HELIX and is the first platform to support non-just spot market with limit orders. There are 50,000 HDRO tokens in prizes sponsored by the Hydra Protocol team for HELIX traders via a volume trading competition. This is to celebrate the spot market listing of HDRO/INJ on HELIX. The competition started on March 19th of 2024 at 2 p.m. UTC and will end on April 2nd, 2024 at 2 p.m. UTC. Great news for Helix users since Helix received 2 million PYTH tokens for utilizing its Oracle on a daily basis and being the first IBC-enabled blockchain to integrate PYTH, and these PYTH tokens were distributed to early Helix users. Are you one of them? New vaults went live on Mito, the PYTH HDRO and USDE vaults. Users on Injective can earn 5 times shards for holding USDE in their Injective wallets. Mito vaults enable trading on autopilot with smart contract-enabled trading strategies. The HDRO and USDE vaults already became the top 2 by TVL, and the PYTH vault is 6th by total TVL amongst all Mito vaults. Relative Finance announced the launch of its peer-to-peer wagering platform on Injective's inEVM. This means that now users on Injective's inEVM will be able to wager on the relative value between assets. The Relative Finance, a peer-to-peer wagering market, allows users to predict if one asset will outperform another within a specific time frame. Now, real money wagers will be available for users for their favorite INJ ecosystem tokens. Artemis has integrated Injective, offering institutional-grade analytics for all Injective and Artemis users. Artemis offers 4 different products, each tailored to different preferences in data consumption: terminal sheets, data share, and API plugin. Some vital metrics related to Injective protocols activity included are daily active addresses, daily transaction, fees, DEX volumes, and more. The DojoSwap Analytics page upgrade was completed. Now users can view real-time live data about total trading volume in the last 3 days, 24-hour trading volume, total liquidity in each LP pairs, total value locked, fees generated from trading, and APR for pairs, last 7 days average. Clusters has integrated Injective address support. Clusters is the fastest growing cross-chain naming protocol. What this means is that Injective users and wallets will be able to have one shared identity across Ethereum, Injective, and Solana. The Aeroscraper mainnet launch was successfully deployed on Injective on the 28th of March. Aeroscraper is a decentralized and zero-fee lending borrowing protocol. Math Wallet announced support for inEVM, and this now enables on the Math Wallet switching to inEVM, creating or importing a wallet, transfers and deposits, and access dApps. Galxe has integrated Injective, and dApps and projects can now easily launch on-chain community campaigns. A highlight of this integration is that Galxe supports MetaMask and Kelper connections for Injective. This is very relevant since Ethereum and Cosmos users can have their Injective addresses recognized on the Galxe platform. Furthermore, Galxe has supported the minting and distribution of on-chain achievement tokens, or OAT for short. Directly on Injective, these OATs minted on Injective become symbols of accomplishment within the community. Injective ambassadors can also collect exclusive badges powered by Galxe. Injective hosted a meetup in Seoul on March 29th at the Hash Lounge during the BUILD Asia and ETH Seoul events. Injective was a silver sponsor for both ETH Seoul 2024 with a $5,000 bounty at the hackathon, and also a silver sponsor for Build Asia 2024. Injective hosted a side event with Cooper during the Blockworks Digital Asset Summit of 2024, including a panel discussion and networking. Eric Chen, a co-founder of Injective Labs, joined the panel on institutional adoption with Cooper and Keyrock Trading. The first ever Injective native community quadratic funding round is running from March 18th to April 8th. There is a matching pool of 1,500 INJ. Community members can vote for the 11 projects that stand out from the 120 project submissions from the Illuminate Hackathon. Project demos were also provided to facilitate the voting decisions of community members. The votes are direct INJ contributions using the quadratic funding algorithm. Quadratic funding means that projects with a wider base of community support receive more funding than projects with just a few large supporters. This will be the first implementation of quadratic funding for Injective. The results will be announced on the 13th of April, with the anti-Sybil attack check performed from April 8th to 12th. So far, the projects with more votes are Aeroscraper, Griffon, Neptune Finance, Ninja Blaze, and Hydra Protocol. And And that is all for today's Injective Ecosystem bi-weekly review. So if you enjoyed Ninjas, remember to click that like button, subscribe button, and bell icon too. Ninjas, you can support our Injective content by staking INJ with Cosmic Validator. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you, Ninjas, very soon in the next episode.